Hi guys and welcome to Trident. We all know of the recent Spacex explosion in Cape Canaveral in Florida. But if you've missed it and why this is so big, is not the explosion itself, is the fact that what appears to be a UFO seems to shoot across the camera. Now at first glances I assumed this was a bird, but realised it just seems too quick. And then I thought, well, maybe it was close to the camera and it was just giving off the illusion it was quick. But then I realised, wouldn't a bird be more identifiable by its wings and its movement? As you can clearly see in this video, you can see a bird flying at the top of the screen, and also another bird that will emerge in the middle, clearly showing wings and movement of a bird. So what could this other object be, guys? Is this a UFO? This photo was taken over the skies of Georgia by Andrew Patterson. It's definitely something I've never seen before, and I'm guessing it wasn't for him too. So if you've got any comments on what this could be, is this something unbelievable? Is this interdimensional? Let us know your thoughts, guys. Please like, share and subscribe.